Hey, how's it going? So today it's gonna be a little bit different video for this channel, but we're gonna look at how to make money on TikTok and about how much it is. So I was one of those guys. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna get TikTok, it's freaking stupid. But my kids were playing on it, so I got on there and started just doing some stupid videos. And one of my first like 10 videos got like 43,000 views, and I was like, oh crap, this, got addicted to it. And then I found out you can make money on it, so I went and I looked at what the stipulations was. So in order to get into the creator fund, you have to have 10,000 followers, 100,000 views within 30 days, and prove that you're over 18 years old by, like, you do some verification stuff, some paperwork, and then a picture ID, a photo of it. It has to get approved. The hardest thing is really getting 100,000 views within the 30-day time frame, and it's a rolling 30 days, so any 30 days. I actually just got that the other day, and how I did that was literally jumping on every trend that's out there on TikTok. I'm a very boring person. I work, I go to the gym, I work on my bike, that's about it. So what I did was I literally, if you're scrolling through your For You page and you keep hearing the same sound over and over, or seeing the same dance over and over, I just did those. And I'm a horrible dancer, but I was like, it'll make somebody laugh, so whatever. So then you can apply for the creator fund once you meet that criteria, and then it takes 3 days. So I entered it on 12/12, and I'm gonna bring up my TikTok real quick. So on 12/12 I had 5, I don't know if you can tell on there, yeah, on 12/12 I had 5.3 thousand views that day, and that equaled out to be, if I go to my creator fund, estimated 14 cents. So that's what, like a penny for every 370 views, something like that, which I guess it's not bad. If you're gonna be doing it anyway, might as well make some money on it. And I mean, of course, women, shake your butt on there a little bit, you're gonna get a lot more views. But they also have like the creator marketplace that you can get in if you have 10,000 followers. And like companies can reach out to you if they want you to promote your stuff. I'm still learning all that. I don't really do live videos yet because, like I said, my life's pretty boring, so I don't know who would want to watch that. But I might try to do that eventually, where you can get like live gifts. People can send you stuff. You can get video gifts if you meet the criteria of having 1,000 followers, and then videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts. I haven't got there yet. Right now I currently only have 13.6 thousand followers, so I'm a little bit away from that. But I just thought that was pretty cool and interesting. So if you want to see any more videos about TikTok or how much you make or anything like that, let me know, and maybe I'll try to make another video. Or if you want to know how to make TikToks or anything, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to help you out. Thanks.